If you want to retain length, if you want your hair to grow, if you want to stop your hair from breaking, you need to take moisturizing seriously, because that's actually the secret to hair growth. Yes. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivanugochino Clementina. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to moisturize your hair properly. If you want to retain length, if you want your hair to grow, if you want to stop your hair from breaking, you need to take moisturizing seriously, because that's actually the secret to hair growth. Yes. So in this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to moisturize your hair. I already washed my hair yesterday and I didn't moisturize, so today I'll be moisturizing my hair with you. I'll be using the LCO method, which is liquid, cream, and oil, because I have low porosity hair. So you know it now that if you have low porosity hair, you should be moisturizing your hair using the LCO method. So for you to be able to moisturize your hair properly, you need your water. This is my water. You would also be needing a leave-in conditioner. This is my leave-in conditioner. I'm making use of Mega Growth leave-in straightener leave-in conditioner. This is it. Thirdly, for you to be able to moisturize your hair properly, you'll be needing a hair butter. This is my hair butter. This is shea butter. You need it to seal in the moisture. When you've applied your water, you apply your leave-in conditioner. Then the next thing you go in is your hair butter, because I'm making use of the LCO method. Lastly, you'll be needing your hair oil. It is not a must. You can either use a hair cream or a hair oil. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if not subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. And the comment section is wide open for you for any of your questions, if you have any, or you have a tip you'd want to share. So guys, without taking much of your time, let's get right into it. So guys, you see how my hair is looking all moisturized, and you can see how neat my scalp is. This is just the hair that my hair shedded after all the combing, after everything. This is just the breakage I have. So you can see it's little, like it is okay, because normally if you're natural, your hair is definitely going to break. So this is healthy. This is really healthy for this whole hair, this whole thing. This is really healthy. So if you want your hair to grow, if you want to retain length, if you want to help stop your hair from breaking, you definitely need to take moisturizing your hair seriously. So guys, that is it for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.